you come in here, there are a couple apps that you're going to download. The NFL one, you should have variations of this. The To-Do app is new, and so you are going to need to do an update database. But we start with kind of reviewing what we've been doing so far as model binding and how we've been accessing that parameter data. And then we look at a couple other ways to accomplish the task. And specifically, we're going to be using request.form and routeData.value. Okay, so you're going to learn how to use both of those to route request.form actually allows us to grab values from the form without using a view bag or anything. And routeData.value lets us grab values from our URL string. Okay, so if they key the values up here, we can grab those using routeData.value. Okay, so we kind of walk through these different techniques, and you're going to be practicing using in the bag. Okay, so a lot of the exercises are going to involve modifying that app. You're going to actually create a new controller and some additional views in that app. And then we get down into further on down here. Oh, how to filter data. And we'll talk a little bit more about the bind and the bind never attributes, which I'm sure you guys have seen in the controllers because those are automatically generated. But this discusses why they are used. And for filtering data, kind of walk through that to-do list and how those filters are working. Okay, and then you guys are going to be downloading a starter file, a little to-do list starter file, and working through some pages in the book. And I actually updated this section. Hold on a second. I thought you might need a little bit more help for a couple of the instructions. So for instruction 6, I'm giving you a little help. And also, I didn't want you to miss instruction 7 because that's kind of important, what you end up passing the view. And the rest of the instructions, I think you guys are going to be able to follow. But if you do get confused, please let me know. And then here is a summary of what you need to turn in this week. So if you run into problems or if you have questions, let me know, and have an awesome week.